So, most of you must be wondering what is this coaching and life coaching, executive coaching, what is all this about? So, today I'm just gonna take a small brief on what actually is coaching and what does a coach do. Okay? Coaching is a form of development in which an experienced person called a coach supports a learner or a client in achieving specific personal or professional goals by providing training and guidance. A life coach definition can vary depending upon what your specific goals are. Alright? A life coach encourages and counsels clients on a range of professional and personal issues. Life coaching is distinct from giving advice, consulting, counseling, mentoring, or administering therapy. You would hire a coach to help you with specific professional projects, personal goals, or transitions. A coach helps you grow by analyzing your current situation, identifying your limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are which pull you back, all right, and other potential challenges and obstacles you face, and devising a custom planned action to help you achieve your specific outcomes in your life. The relationship between a client and their lifestyle coach is a creative partnership that seeks to identify five areas. Number one, identify, clarify, and create a vision for what the client wants. Two, use coach expertise in modify goals as needed. Three, encourage clients' self-discovery and growth. Four, nurture and evoke strategies and a plan of action based on what fits best with the client's goal, personality, and vision. Number five, foster clients' accountability to increase productivity. These aspects of the process all work together to allow the client to maximize accompany the clients on a journey back to their own personality and authenticity. We do not advise or tell you what to do or put you through a predetermined process, personality profile, or a bullet pointed coaching model. Instead, we use facilitation methodology into use because we strongly believe that you already know what's best for you. If only you could get in touch with it. There are a lot of areas into coaching. I'm just gonna take you very quickly through some of the areas that coaches like me work on. So if something into these areas falls in the preview of what you are looking for mentoring or guidance in, you can feel free to contact us. Let's diversify the areas into personal and professional to keep it more simple for you. In the personal domain, the areas can be like relationships, life purpose, communication, money, health, self-esteem, joy, tackling negative emotions, a career transition, balance in life, limiting beliefs, or self-confidence, for example. Or if we go into the professional domain, it can again be professional relationships, priorities in your career, time management, conflict resolution, business planning, business communication, team building, time management, leadership, ROI, recognition, or if you are venturing into entrepreneurship, it can be vision, mission, goals, values, so on and henceforth. So these are an a broad area on what coaches try to help their clients with. So if you are looking to get coached on one of these areas, or be it something other than what we have discussed right now, feel free to book a free discovery session with us. Link again provided in the description. I wish you all the very best.